Opera has long been a world of grandeur and emotion, a place where music and drama intertwine to tell stories that transcend time. Its performances can transport audiences to distant lands, evoke deep feelings, and illuminate the human experience in ways few other art forms can. In an opera house, every detail contributes to the spectacle. The ornate architecture, the sweeping stage sets, and the intricate costumes all work together to create an atmosphere of wonder. Each element is designed to immerse the audience in a fully realized world, one where reality and imagination blend seamlessly. The power of opera often lies in its music. Composers use orchestras, vocal harmonies, and lyrical storytelling to express emotions that words alone cannot capture. A single aria can convey joy, sorrow, longing, or triumph with unmatched intensity, drawing listeners into the hearts of the characters. Storytelling in opera is both dramatic and universal. Themes of love, betrayal, ambition, and redemption appear across centuries and cultures, allowing audiences to connect with the narratives on a personal level. Even in foreign languages, the emotions resonate through the melodies and performances. Performers dedicate years to perfecting their craft, honing vocal techniques and acting skills simultaneously. Their commitment ensures that every note and gesture carries meaning, transforming each performance into a living expression of art. Opera singers often undergo rigorous training to achieve the power and precision required to fill large theaters without amplification. The audience's experience is heightened by the collaborative nature of opera. Directors, conductors, designers, and musicians work in harmony, coordinating every element to create a cohesive production. Each performance is the culmination of countless hours of preparation and artistic vision. Opera is not only a form of entertainment, but also a reflection of culture and history. Many operas explore historical events, societal norms, and philosophical ideas, offering insight into the eras in which they were composed. They serve as a bridge between the past and present, connecting audiences with centuries of artistic tradition. For newcomers, opera can feel intimidating or inaccessible. However, understanding the stories, recognizing recurring themes, and listening closely to the music can reveal its beauty and emotional depth. Programs, translations, and pre-performance guides often help audiences engage more fully with the experience. Ultimately, opera invites people to witness the fusion of music, theater, and human emotion. It celebrates creativity, evokes profound feelings, and leaves lasting impressions. Each performance offers a chance to explore passion, struggle, and triumph, reminding audiences of the power of art to move the soul.